Each and every one of us is different. We all have our own special quirks which make us who we are. Sometimes these quirks are described as bad habits. Sometimes they're peculiarities. Sometimes they're unique traits to that person. These are the quirks that define who we are. It can also be a quirk of fate. Something that happens to you when you least expect it. No one ever expects to be involved in an accident. It's not a fun process. Insurance companies make it difficult for a reason. They want you to cave and they want you to sign a release. That's why people should hire an attorney, one who you're comfortable with, you trust, to get you those results.
Somebody called me and said Eddie got shot. It was very rough. It's very rough for me. I think about him all the time because that was my son, that was my baby. So that's when I called Logan and he said, "Don't worry about it, I got you." He explained everything to me step by step. What's gonna happen next? He's like family to me. I highly recommend him to anyone that needs him.
I was the victim of a drunk driver. He rear-ended me. This really good friend of my family, he referred me to Logan. And what I mostly respect about him is sincerity. He made me feel that I was valuable, that I did count, that it didn't matter what happened to me. Logan is someone that will fight for you and he will have your best interests and tell you the truth. He inspired me to be a better person.
Ever since I started on my own, I wanted my practice to mirror my personality. When I was little, everyone would call me quirky and I never knew if it was a compliment or not. Finally, I embraced it. I have this awesome last name. I'm quirky, I'm unique. I understand that each client's different. Each client has a different set of issues. My job and my goal is to understand that and be able to effectively represent that person. When you come to me, you might be emotionally devastated, physically broken. We want you to focus on your treatment to get better, to get you back to the point where you were before this accident. Not only am I going to listen, not only will I understand your problems, I will be your advocate, and I'm going to fight like hell for you.